let's see this example. The first thing to look at is to study the diagram. Look at the diagram carefully. You study the diagram. What do I have? Now, if you look at this diagram, you can see that we have two quadrilateral. One is cyclic quadrilateral, the other one is not cyclic. So, if I have two quadrilateral, the first one is PQOS, which is not cyclic. And the cyclic I have is what? PQRS. You can see it's touching the circumference of the circle. So those are the two quadrilateral I have. I need to remember that the sum of angle of a quadrilateral is what? 360 degrees. So if we add 4 angles in a quadrilateral, they are going to give you 360 degrees. Don't forget, if I have a quadrilateral, this is a quadrilateral. This angle here, if I add everything together, the addition is 360 degrees. Do you get that now? So don't forget that. Now, in this diagram, I have 77 degrees as the exterior angle. And I just showed to you that exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equals to opposite interior angle. So my QRS is going to be same thing as 77 degrees. Because this is 77, so this is going to be 77. So I'll write exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral. Do you get that now? So that's the reason. Exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral. Now, if this is 77 now, my QRS is 77. Now, you know that 77 is the angle at the circumference. Now, to this center, the angle at this center, so my QOS is going to be 2 times 77 degrees. That is angle at the center for this arc twice angle at the circumference. So, and circumference is giving me 77. So, I'm going to have 2 times this. That's giving me 154 degrees. So, I'll write angle at center twice angle at what? Circumference. Circumference. So that's the reason for that one. Angle at center twice angle at what? The circumference. Now this is 154. I know this place now to be 154 degrees. Are we together? Now for me to find what I'm looking for, don't forget what I'm looking for is P, Q, and what? O. The angle here is what I'm looking for. Now, and in this quadrilateral, I can see that I have this angle, I have this angle. I can get this angle by doing sum of angle on a straight line, or I say opposite angle of a quadrilateral. So my QPS. Now if this notation is not difficult. So QPS means QPS, that is, it means the angle here. So how do I get the angle here? It's same thing as 180 minus 77 degrees. So with 180 minus 7, I can use sum of angle on a straight line for it, and I can use opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral because I know this place is also 77. So I can say opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral. Do you get that now? So my QPS is going to be, so 180 degrees minus 77. That will give me what? That will give me 103 degrees. So this is 103 degrees. Here is 103 degrees. So I know this place now. So I can easily get what I'm looking for. So I can say that the angle here, which is, I'll just add up all the angles. So I have this, this, and this. So I can say that what I'm looking for, which is PQO, plus the angle here, which is QOS, plus the angle here, which is OSP, plus the angle here, which is SPQ, equals to 360 degrees. You can see I'm adding all the angles together. This plus this plus this plus this. So now my PQO, now this is what? 154 plus 68 plus 103 equals to 360 degrees. So adding up, my PQO is going to be 360 degrees minus, so if I add 154 plus 68 plus 100 and so that will give me what? So let's add it up. 154 68 103. Now this is 11 plus this, that's what? 15. So I have 5 plus this, that's 6. 12. I have 2. Then I have 3. So I have 325 minus 325. So that means my PQO is going to be 360 minus 325. That will give me 35 degree. Do you see that now? So my answer is 35 degree. Any question, please ask. Don't forget, how do we solve? We notice that we have 2 quadrilateral. Then we obey the rules. It's not hard. Just go through the videos over and over again. You will understand.